In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add signature to your Thunderbird emails. First, open Thunderbird on your computer. In the folder pane on the left, find the email account you want to update. Right-click the account name to open a quick menu, then choose Settings. This takes you straight to that account's preferences where signatures live. On the main page for the account, look for the section labeled Signature Text. This is the simplest way to add a signature. Type the details you want recipients to see, your name, role, company, and a website or scheduling link if you use one. Plain text keeps things clean and reliable across mail clients, and Thunderbird will add this block to the bottom of messages you compose from this account. If you prefer richer formatting, enable the option labeled Use HTML. With HTML turned on, the signature area accepts basic HTML, so you can include clickable links, line breaks, and light styling. Keep it modest so your messages stay accessible and professional. Avoid overly small fonts or colors with low contrast, and remember that some recipients block remote images by default. There's also a file-based route, which is handy if you already have a signature saved or you want to reuse the same one across devices. Check the box that says Attach the signature from a file instead, and note the hint that it supports text, HTML, or an image. Click. Choose to browse your computer, select the signature file you prepared, such as a .txt for plain text, a .html for formatted signatures, or a small PNG or JPG if you rely on an image, and click Open. Thunderbird will pull that file in each time you compose. If you pick an image-only signature, keep the file small and include essential contact details as text elsewhere in the email body, since some mail apps block images or strip them in replies. After you set your preferred method, typing it in using HTML or attaching a file. Thunderbird applies the signature automatically to new messages from this account and to replies and forwards, respecting your composition settings. If you manage multiple accounts, repeat these steps on each one so the right signature appears in the right place. Keep your signature concise, avoid large attachments or heavy graphics, and review it for typos. That's all there is to it. You now have a polished, consistent signature ready to go in Thunderbird.